Welcome to Dortech Garage Doors, your trusted partner for all your garage door installation and repair needs. We also sell garage door parts like modern doors, springs, remotes, and other spare parts. Today, we are excited to share that we cover entire Mississauga, Ontario, Canada with free garage door inspections anywhere in Mississauga before we share proposal for installation or repair work required on your garage door projects. Our licensed technicians and installers are available round the clock to provide 24/7 emergency and same-day repairs. Our expertise in garage door repairs includes garage door installation, emergency garage door repair, commercial garage door service, residential garage door service, garage door maintenance, garage door cable replacement, garage door opener repair, garage door spring replacement, and a lot more. At Dortech Garage Doors, we offer a comprehensive range of services, from installation to repair and maintenance. But where do we operate? Our service regions cover a wide area in Mississauga, Ontario, Canada, with ensuring that you have access to our top quality services. Our garage door repair includes installation and repair of residential garage doors, commercial garage doors, garage door repairs, and major garage parts we sell includes garage door springs, garage door remote, garage door openers, and garage door cable. To get started on your garage door project, visit our website. You'll find detailed information about our services and contact details to reach out to us. Thank you for considering Dortech Garage Doors.